2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Homelink garage door opener, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, power windows, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, power driver's seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.